Hi everyone, so this is my design. I created this look on a flexi press tip, coffin shape. I'm just applying Hollywood Dream 01 to this nail. I applied 2 coats of this, curing each coat in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. Next I apply Miss You Beauty's matte top coat to that nail and I cure it in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And once that's cured, I go into creating my design. So I use the spider gel in white and I apply the spider gel to the bottom of the nail first. Before I cure it, then I apply this acrylic powder to that to the gel. And then I just tap off the excess and then I cure it in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. Then I go in with the middle part of the nail, just applying the spider gel, and before I cure it again I apply the purple, this is called Gemma's Love, to that part of the nail. And again, tap off the excess and then cure it for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. And then I create the top part of the design, so apply the spider gel again. And then I go in with the acrylic powder in the shade Lemon Drop. So I made sure that I cured each section individually because I didn't want the colours to blend on each other. I wanted them to be specific to the areas of that nail, if that makes any sense. So yeah, so then I cured that for 30 seconds and then I went in with my matte top coat again because I really quite liked the matte look, and cured that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. So thanks for watching guys. Bye.